Hi guys, I wanted to show you really quick how to put together a Reneabouquets shaker box. Okay, it comes with all the pieces that you see here in these clear plastic parts. So I take and I clean them off with a used dryer sheet. This will also help your sequins or whatever you're using. That will help it not stick to the plastic when you have it all together. Okay, so we're going to layer the pieces like so. These side pieces have little knobs sticking out at the end. You want them to fit together like this. The pieces fit really nice and snug. So you'll put your plastic piece on after you put your goodies in here. And then we're going to glue that piece to the top. You can put paper on the back side instead of leaving it clear like that, but I have a little sentiment that I am going to put behind here because I'm going to layer it. I didn't want the sequins getting stuck, so it'll look like this when I am done. Thanks for stopping by.